What's up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee.
And here's the Catskill News. They just finished the walkthrough.
Lady Cats basketball and boys volleyball.
Filming before the games tonight.
Expecting to win.
Go Cats!
Go Cats!
Catskill High School, you rock!
The CHS PBIS wants to congratulate Mr. Guinan, Ms. Seeger's substitute teacher, for being selected as CHS Employee of the Month. Congratulations, Mr. Guinan.
BOCES is hosting a regional union event on March 23rd from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. The event is open to families to come and learn more about the tremendous opportunities available through a career with a union. Please call Melissa Cree, Work-Based Learning Coordinator at the Tech Center at Yorktown BOCES at 914-248-3648.
The Self-Care Challenge is a daily activity sent through the Remind app to help give you some ideas for practicing self-care. This is for students and staff, and everyone who signs up will be entered to win a prize. The challenge will begin Monday, March 6th and run through March 31st. The class code for Remind is Self-Care23.
The CES Carnival is postponed until next Saturday, March 11th, noon to 2:30. If anyone wants to volunteer, either student or adult, please notify Ms. McLean, the CES PTA President and Carnival Chair.
The class of 2023 is bringing Krispy Kreme donuts back this spring. If you would like to order a dozen of amazing glazed donuts, see a member of the senior class or advisor, Ms. Consul. Orders will be taken through March 15th. Deliveries will be on March 23rd. The cost is $12 a dozen. All proceeds will help offset the senior trip.
The golden ticket winners have been selected.
Hello, Catskill! We are here to pull the PBIS ticket winner for February. Let's start with our 9th graders. So who is going to win for the 9th grade PBIS February ticket? Jaden Nicola again. She won last month as well. Congratulations, Jaden Nicola. Let's go for the 10th grade. 10th grade winner is going to be Liam Mariani. Congratulations to Liam. Our 11th grade PBIS winner is going to be Xavier Dunkel. Congratulations, Xavier. And lastly, our senior winner, our 12th grade February winner is Phoebe Smith. Congratulations to all of our winners, and they are going to get gift card prizes. Please remember to always be safe, be responsible, and be respectful. Have a good day, Catskill.
Congratulations to those students who represent the best qualities at Catskill.
The Catskill High School Odyssey of the Mind team has been working hard all year preparing for the competition coming up Saturday, March 25th. We are looking for one volunteer for the regional tournament that takes place Saturday, March 25th at Coxsackie, Athens. Contact Ms. Nasser in CHS if you're interested.
Parent-teacher conferences will be held for the secondary campus next Thursday and Friday. Parents will be in to collect progress reports and have the opportunity to meet with teachers on Thursday. Friday, parents can make appointments with teachers to meet to discuss their students' performance.
Hudson Valley Community College will host a college fair on Tuesday, April 4th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. with both public and private colleges attending.
Plan your SAT exam at the College Board website. The upcoming SAT dates for spring 2023 are March 11th, May 6th, and June 3rd. See the College Board website to register.
Here's the CNC Sports team with our report on our winter sports.
Welcome back, Cats Nation, to our segment on sectionals. The girls basketball team and the boys volleyball team are on a roll and are looking to capture a section title. We're recording this on Wednesday, March the 1st, and we look forward to reporting on where our teams are next week.
At the moment you are seeing this, the girls have taken on Albany Academy. The girls have had an amazing season, and we are looking forward to reporting on where they will be next week.
Like the girls, the boys volleyball team have already played their game as you're seeing this. The boys played Caro in their section championship. They have had a tremendous season thus far, and we look forward to updating you on where the boys are next week.
Congratulations to these two teams. That's all for this week. Tune in next week for more Cats coverage.
3, 2, 1. Cats Nation, let's ride.
The Catskill High School production of Sister Act will be held on Friday, March 17th through Sunday the 19th. Make sure to get your tickets. They do sell out fast. See Ms. Doors if you have any questions about showtimes or need ticket information.
Here's Mr. Shah with his weekly address to our students and community.
Hey, Catskill High School, it's Mr. Shah. There's a whole lot going on around these parts, so make sure you listen up. The interim ends on Friday, which is today. Make sure all of your work was turned in and make sure that everything is good to go to make sure you continue to be eligible for club sports and activities. It's a big sports weekend here at Catskill High School. We've got our girls basketball team that is playing on Thursday. You won't know the results till after this is aired. Playing in Section 2 finals, same with boys, playing at 7 o'clock at Rensselaer for boys varsity volleyball. If the boys varsity volleyball team wins, they will be playing this upcoming Saturday in regionals, and that will be the final game of the season if they make it. Girls varsity basketball will be playing the weekend after, as they have a bye this weekend if they win, for regionals and then potentially states. Great job, Cats. We have parent-teacher conferences. There are half days of school next Thursday and Friday. Kids are dismissed at 10:30 a.m. and then parents can come in from 11:30 on. One change this year with interims is that interims will not be mailed until the week after. So with parent conferences, parents will come and get them from the school during parent conference times, and they can meet with teachers on Thursday or Friday with teachers by appointment. If you have any questions, call us at the main office. That's all for this week. Have a great day, week, weekend, and of course, as always, go Cats. Thank you.
When is an Irish potato not an Irish potato?
When?
When it's a French fry.
Thanks for watching Catskill and Catskill.